Hi guys, Mitch King with the Thursday, January 2nd, 2014 market recap and trade of the day. Here's Dow 30 down 0.8% or 135 points. First down day in about 9 or 10 trading days. And my guess is the pension and mutual fund and hedge fund managers are rebalancing their portfolio. Very typical in the new year to sell off. A lot of times that this selling could be a trigger for causing more selling, and my guess is that the Dow is going to pull back probably to that 16,200 level as a minimum. My thinking is that we should protect ourselves, capture some profits. We closed a couple of stocks that aren't acting well. Let's go through some of the top 10 stocks now. Blocks did real well today, up 4.1%. I think this is step laddering up, just the beginning. The $40 level is very conceivable with this stock. Vico's making a real gradual move up. I think the area to be looking for is to see how much and if it's sustained move above that yellow box in here. That's what we call your closest level of resistance, where sellers have kept the price down of the stock before, and this is important to see if we move above that and hold. Urban moved up today to 38.69, closed up 1.8%. It sold off toward the low of the day at the end, but it's a good sign it's starting to make a little bit of movement. IRM acted very poorly today, 2.83% drop. I think we ought to just try to sell this above that $30 level. Could get a bounce here tomorrow on this the next day or two. I'm not too concerned whether it really falls out of the sky, but don't like to see this. Can't even hold above that red dash line, which is the 200-day moving average. Another disappointing action is RP, down 4.2%. Try to sell a better price on this stock, maybe $22.75 tomorrow or Monday. DGX has been a loser from pretty much the beginning. Idea of that 55 level I thought was going to bounce off, but here we are, bounced. It dropped down to that 52.50 level, bounced up close to 55, and here we are back toward that level. So this is pretty dangerous. If this drops any lower than this area in that yellow box I'm drawing right here, this is definitely a sell. But you know, my hunch has been that it's got a pretty good chance of holding that. Let's go back. The previous was, about a year and a half ago. So I think this stock's definitely in trouble, but it's a very volatile stock. PCYC up 2.5%. I think this is heading up here, worth holding. QEP's been disappointing pretty much from the beginning at 30.7 and really hasn't made us any money. So I think that just give us a little more time. If this drops below this red line, just go ahead and dump it, which isn't far off. That's only 30-40 cents off from here. Some good trades with VJET, which is ValueJet. The stock dropped initially at the open, bottomed out around $39 level, moved up to $43.30. Nice trading on this, several good trades on this stock today. You guys take care. Be a little more defensive right now. I've downgraded the market sentiment to be more of a neutral position. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.